Well, there are claims that CBD can kill cancer cells and cannabinoids can heal diabetes. They've landed a local business on an FDA warning list. Now, 15 businesses across the country received these warnings, including Southeast Charlotte's Private Eye Salon.
Channel 9's Blaine Tollison looks into the claims that got them in trouble and how the owner is explaining all this. Blaine?
The owner of the business you see here behind me showed me around what is really mostly a beauty salon. You can see in the windows haircuts, nails, eyelashes advertised here, and there's a small section dedicated to CBD products, and the FDA sent them a warning, not really that because it's selling those CBD products, but because how it is advertising and listing them online, things like oils and even food. As you drive down Sharon Amity Road toward Cotswold, if you blink, you might miss Private Eye Salon. When you take a closer look, you can see RX by the name and CBD Boutique. Inside, I met the business owner, Derek Rayleigh, who showed me the warning letter he just received from the FDA.
First thing came into mind was, why me?
Rayleigh had only a small assortment of CBD products here, but it was his company's website and Instagram that got the FDA's attention. The letter pointed out products illegally being sold as dietary supplements, unapproved new drugs or misbranded drugs, and food.
A couple of items in there that, without a doubt, I agree.
I asked Rayleigh specifically about the medical benefits he listed the FDA also took issue with. Terms like reduce anxiety and kill cancer cells and slow tumor growth. How can you make those claims?
As for, it's not so much that I feel that it was a claim, it's more as information that's readily available from Harvard Medical School, scientists, horticulturalists. So it's not something that we felt was a fly-by-night or snake oil type relief.
But none of those studies have been verified by the FDA. The FDA says Rayleigh now has 15 days to show in writing how he has corrected the violations. At the same time, he says he would like some guidance on best practices.
You can't do this, you can't do that, but what can we do? You know, what can we do? And that will go a long way.
And today I asked the FDA specifically about that point, and it referred me back to their statement on this, saying that they continue to explore ways for these products to be marketed lawfully. They are kind of stepping things up. They've issued violations in years past, but last year they only sent a warning letter to one company compared to more than 20 this year. Scott?
All right, Blaine, thanks very much as we follow up on this. In fact, earlier this month, we investigated what's really in CBD oil. Anchor John Paul went to 5 different stores and bought 5 bottles of CBD and shipped them off to a lab in Durham. Those test results showed that the measurement of CBD listed on the bottle was rarely correct, and in some cases, they detected THC in the oils. That is what gets you high. Now, the FDA says that's part of their big concern. They say that people may believe that trying CBD can't hurt you, but a higher CBD content than listed or unlabeled ingredients can be very dangerous.